What's up guys, it's Tuesday, we're at the dyno. There's things going on, let's go ahead and roll that intro. Roll it. Alright, so we've installed the Ford Performance Pack 2 on this 2017 Mustang GT. We're going to do a couple baselines to see what kind of power it's putting out now that the install is done. So with the Ford Power Pack 2, we were able to put out 411 horsepower to the rear wheels and 388 foot-pounds of torque. If this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We put content out like this every week. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video so we know to continue making videos just like this, and we'll catch you next time right here at Dallas Mustang.